Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today's lunch recipe, we're going to make fresh spring rolls. The key of this fresh spring roll is this simple and delicious peanut sauce. Let me show you how to make the easiest peanut sauce. Now we're going to stir it to mix it together and cook it on the stove at medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's cooked, bubbling. The consistency should be like this, creamy, and that's it. We're done with our peanut sauce. Now it's time for our fillings. The basic fillings are noodles, choice of your proteins, carrot, and some lettuce. I myself love vegetables. Let me show you my choice of vegetable. This is totally freestyle. You can do your own. Here it is. What do you think about my veggie preparation? For noodles, you can use any kinds of noodles. I normally use the rice vermicelli. 4 ounces or 1/4 of the package should be enough. Cook it per package instruction. For this one, I boil half pot of water. Cook it for 8 minutes and then rinse it with cold water until it's cold and drain it. For today, I'm going to show you the simple way how to prepare shrimp and tofu. I use organic tofu, open it up, drain the water out, and I'm going to use only half block of the tofu and cut it into the long strips. Boil it for only 1 minute. Scoop it out and dry it with the paper towel. With the same water, I'm going to boil shrimps for about 2 to 3 minutes based on the size of the shrimp. Don't overcook the shrimps. When the color change from transparent to be solid, that when it's cooked. The whole shrimp will be too thick to wrap it, so we're going to cut it in half lengthwise. Adding salt and pepper will make it taste better, but it's optional. Now it's time to assemble a spring roll one at a time. First, take one of the rice paper out and submerge it in a room temperature water for about 5 to 10 seconds. It will be firm, not soft. It will be soft when you're done with the wrapping. Place the wrapper on a lightly wet cutting board. Add lettuce, noodles, carrot, shrimps, and this is a basic one. Roll it up halfway and then fold both sides and then keep rolling it up until the end. We are done with the simple one here. The next one will be vegetarian version with tofu. For this one, I add more vegetable, mint, and mango. Mango will make it a little bit sweeter, which I love it. Here is my favorite version. All kinds of vegetables, mango, mint, basil, cilantro, and shrimps. If you don't eat it right away, keep it on the plate and make sure that it doesn't touch each other so it doesn't stick together. Cover it with the damp towel so the wrappers don't dry out and break. Now it's time to enjoy it with our delicious peanut sauce. And at the end here, I'm going to give you the bonus recipe. The Vietnamese sweet and sour garlic fish sauce. Here are ingredients. All you have to do is just mix all the ingredients together. For the spiciness, you can use the fresh chili or you can use the garlic sauce chili. Sriracha sauce will work as well. Boil it for about 2 minutes and then just let it cool down and it's ready to be served. This sauce is so refreshing and have a lot of flavors. Thanks to Ginala, my Vietnamese friend, who taught me how to make this sauce. My family can eat this fresh roll every day and they love both peanut sauce and fish sauce. I hope that your family will love it too. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.